So now we're going to create a retargeting campaign. What's a retargeting campaign? When we have any campaign running and then we notice that this campaign, especially when we notice that this campaign is getting a lot of leads, but not much of the pre-calls, and then we definitely need to do the retargeting campaign. And also sometimes if we're running any ads and we want to optimize for the ads performance, we can also run a retargeting campaign to help the client get to follow up. Retargeting campaign can also help clients to follow up with the leads or with the lead and pre-calls, because when we run retargeting campaign, we are trying to emphasize our ads in those leads and the pre-calls mind, to remind them, hey, you signed up for this, and then we're following up with you, please pick up the call, something like that. So here, this client is running 2 campaigns targeting women, female and male together. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a retargeting campaign targeting both of them. Because we're going to run retargeting campaign. Let me do reach. Okay, so for retargeting campaign, you don't want to do conversion. You don't want to do page post engagement. What you want to do is reach. Why we want to do reach? Because when we target retargeting campaign, let me do this for you, because so you will understand why we only do reach as the objective. Save to just. Now we have done the campaign level, and then we're going to move to the ad set level. In the ad set level, this is where I can explain to you why we're using reach. So here, let's do the audience first. Audience needs to be also, let me go to client's marketing plan and check what's his. I need to target all his personas. Let's edit this one, and I can actually do another way. Like I can actually duplicate. Okay, 10 miles, and then persona 1 female, persona 2 male, persona 3 female. So what I want to do is I want to target. I don't need to change anything. Just here I need to change it to all, and then parents married. See, parents married. Okay. So this persona. This audience is actually cover all his persona together. So what I want to do is I want to do this, and now after I've done this, I wanted to do one more thing, and this is a key of the retargeting campaign. And when we create the ads and when we create the ads and when we create the campaign, we will create a landing page visitor, we will create an audience, and we will create an application page visitor audience, and we will also create a pre-call page visitor. So here they are all custom ads. So now here, what I want to do, I want to target all TYP visitor. No, I want to target all application visitor. I want to target all application visitor, and then I want to exclude all TYP visitor. This is why, because this client, I already explained the background, because he has a lot of leads, but he don't have enough prequels. So for those people who already finished the application form are actually our TYP visitor, means they already went through the application process and landed on the thank you page. And here, the application page, if I'm targeting the application page visitor and excluded those thank you page visitor, means those people are only leads. They are only leads and they are not prequel yet. So what I'm going to do is change this to a program lead only exclude prequel. Here, so yeah, this is so this is the thing. And here now, after I done all the settings, you see that the potential reach is only 200 some people. So if we're running a even if we're just running a $2 program, $2 ad set, with those 200 some targeting, if we are doing any other objective than reach, those 200 people will be overwhelmed with the ads I'm going to run. You understand why? Because the audience is too small. And then with the audience is too small, whatever we are running, gonna target too much. We're gonna display like more than 3, 4, 5 times to them. So that's why we wanna do reach, because when we run reach as an objective, they will only be targeted like 1 times a day. And then we're gonna keep this running, and then they will only see those 1 times a day. And also, I have 6 testimonial videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to use Quaya and then rotate those videos. So even they're going to be targeted 1 time a day, they can still watch different videos different days. So this is what we want to do. Save as new. So I have done this, and let me change the campaign name. You can also name this in a different way. This is just because I like this is more clear to me. I understand. The name, how you name the asset needs to be always without clicking inside to check what the audiences are, and you can know that what exactly audience are you targeting in this ad set. So here, this reach are also being updated. So you can choose frequency cap, like 1 impression per 1 day. Like these people will see my ads every one day, every day, but I only 1 time. But as I'm going to run Quaya, and with Quaya I always choose 3 videos per 2 days. run 3 different videos per 2 days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this as 1 impression every 2 days. Means this each of the leads will never see the same ads in every 4 days. Because why every 4 days or 7 or 6 days? I'm not sure if Quaya gonna rotate 3 different ads, 3 different videos in the second round. So I'm not sure if it's the same. So here, because my Quaya will be set up as 3 ads per 2 days. So here I want to do this same days frequency. Okay, so after I set this up, I can change this to 2 because I have very small audience. That's what I want to do. Just 2 or even 1 can also be right. I'm not sure it's gonna. So it's gonna reach 41 people. See, I have 200 some. 41 reach everyone 2 days. Yeah, I can do this. So it's not too much. Let's see if this impression gonna change anything. No. Okay, so this is what I want to do. So this is a setting. So this setting is very important for retargeting. Every other part will be the same, but just the settings is the key. The settings of that ad set is the key. So here, what I want to do is to select videos. Did I just, no, I don't think that's the one. It's the editor. 1, 2, 4, 6. Let me download this. 2, 1, 4, 5. I like to match the ad number with the video number. So if the client said, okay, this video is blah 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 blah, he wants to change anything, and then what I need to do is just go to the video here and tell Richard what I wanted to change. I don't need to go back to thing, and then let's see how it looks like. This is a pretty nice video that Richard created. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. Great. Community. Great. Friendship. here. And great coaching. I am impressed. I really didn't understand what when he trying to say his name, so and I want to add a button. And here, the main key is I want to push those leads back to the application form. And then what I want to do is go to his Excel sheet and get the application form back here. And then I noticed one thing is because we're running two different campaigns, we're running different campaign to different gender. So when we're doing retargeting, we still need to, because we're going to push them back. So here, as this one is the male one, I need to go back to ad level and then edit this one to men only. Okay, only 50 people as a male. This is only male. Update. If it's that small, that's super small, I wanna make this as 1. See if it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. And then here I wanna change it to. So I can push them back to this URL. Mail application form. And the learn more button. And also the display link. Then optional headline, news feeds. I want to say something what I can do, and so here, copy, retarget, see retarget. Oh, shit. So his program is the CrossFit 8-week kickstart. See, this is how we want to do. And also if they click learn more, oh come on, why I always make this mistake? Haven't finished. Something I can see this. No. Okay, so this is one of the example of how I create the retargeting campaign. Super easy, right? Really, this is super easy. So what I need to do is go back to the retargeting campaign, post it, and review changes, and I will finish the rest after. Because remember, I have 6 different videos, and I have different genders.